What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking to you all about how you can secure your Windows 10 machine. The first step is to create a restore point in case your present install of Windows 10 gets corrupted, or you just want a nice clean slate to start over with. You can you can restore your The first step is to create a restore point with your fresh install of Windows 10. What I mean fresh install, I mean as soon as you get your new laptop, create a restore point that would get you back to that nice fresh install in case the present version later on in the future present version, in case that gets corrupted, then you could always restore it to that nice fresh install. So in order to do that, you could simply hit the search button on the taskbar, or if you have Cortana already set up, you could ask Cortana to search System Restore. So once you click on that, a dialog should come up with the System Protection tab already open. If it's not open, then go to the System Protection tab and click on it. Then you select the drive where you have Windows installed. For most people, that will be the C drive. You click on that and then click on Configure. A new window will open and you will have the option to enable Turn on System Protection. Once you have that enabled, click OK, and that's it. Whenever you want to revert to that point where you have a nice clean installation of Windows 10, you could restore it back to that point. Now, normally when we purchase a laptop or smartphone, it comes along with a bunch of programs and applications from the manufacturer that we're not interested in, we don't need, and we just forget about it. We leave it there and make it fester. There are updates for it, but we don't even bother updating it because we're not using it. We've completely forgotten about it. However, it's still there in the back end, presenting vulnerabilities since security updates have been sent out and you're not updating it. So in order to prevent these applications from posing a security threat to us later on in life, you need to disable, uninstall, get rid of, throw it out in the trash. Simply go to Start, then navigate to Settings or Control Panel, and then you go to Apps and Features, and you can uninstall the applications that you feel that you do not need, don't want to purchase. Just get rid of them. Now this next step is important not just for the security of our devices, but for getting you features and updates that come along with having a Windows machine. You need to keep your laptop updated. You could simply go to Settings, Update and Security, and update your machine to ensure that all available security updates have been installed on your new device. Our tech giants always want us using their products and services all the time. By default, when setting up your new Windows 10 machine, Microsoft will prompt you to log in with your Microsoft or Outlook account, and then they will use this to log you into your machine. The intention is that your settings for that particular device will be saved, so that when you move over to another machine and you log in to your machine again, the other machine with your Microsoft account, that some of the settings that were used on the previous device will be carried over to the next device. This is somewhat convenient if you are working with a laptop and a desktop. However, this also provides some security risk, so you will want to turn off login using that feature, to use merely just a password to log into the laptop. You can go to Start, Settings, Accounts, and then select Sign in with local account instead. You will first be prompted to enter the password for your Microsoft email account. So enter that and then hit next, and then you will be prompted to create a password to log in with instead of your Microsoft email account password. Once that's done, you can hit sign out and finish, and you will be logged out of your Microsoft email account for your device. Another thing about our recent smart devices is that they are continuously collecting our data to be able to show us ads that are meaningful to us. It's usually not meaningful, we're mostly annoyed, but that is the intention, to get the ads that you might be interested in visible to you. And one way that happens is that your location data is collected. Yep, it is collected, and then ads that are relevant to your location, like you will see ads pertaining to Dominica. You might see something from Flow Dominica as opposed to Flow Antigua, obviously because you're in Dominica, not Antigua. So you will also want to turn off that feature, as hackers can use that information, that data, to spam you, to hack your device, and to get important information about you. Go to Start, Settings, and navigate to Location. You will want to disable location tracking, and then you can go to the previous privacy window that you were just at and turn off the feature that allows Microsoft to show you ads based on your location. And finally, while there are a ton of antivirus software out there, the native antivirus and firewall that comes with the Windows operating system, Windows Firewall and Windows Defender, do a pretty decent job in securing your device. To enable it, go to Control Panel, System and Security. Then you can click on the Windows Defender Firewall option. You will see in the sidebar that there's an option for turning on Windows Defender. Click on that, and then you can click Turn on Windows Defender Firewall. You can also enable the option to get notified whenever the firewall blocks an application. However, if you still feel like you need an antivirus, then you can shop around for a really good one. Norton is great, McAfee is great. You could also try Avast, Kaspersky. What else is there? There are a ton, a lot. Look them up. These are great tips for when you have a new Windows 10 machine, but should you already have one and you want to secure your device, you could also check out those settings, make sure that everything has its ticks, dot your I's, cross your T's, make sure your device is secure. Thank you guys so much for watching. and I will see you all in the next one. Have a good day.